The topic today is about Python and the Python ecosystem. Python is one of the most common language used today because it's simple and easy to learn. But even though it's simple to learn and it's really mature, for a beginner, and it will still get lots of confusion. What are those terms exactly mean? For example, when you see this install package, install with pip, install with anaconda, and so on. What are those relationships? And I hope with this short introduction of the high-level ecosystem, you will get better understanding how these things are work together. When you meet a problem, you will be easier to find a clue how to figure it out. So when people talk about Python, it can mean different things. So one of the most common way will be the language itself. And the Python is, lots of people said, is an interpret language. So which means the code will be interpreted line by line. And the Python, it can also mean the runtime environment. So it's the binary. The binary when you run Python, it means that Python. And that Python, the default is the CPython. But when you run it, that is only using Python. No, like hello dot py. There are other interpreters as well. For example, I have using Json. And Json is the implementation using Java. And CPython is the implementation with C. So when you get started using Python, depends on which operating system you are on. If you are on Linux or if you are on Mac, most likely you have Python already. If you are on Windows, you have to download from Python website and install it. Python has two versions, two main versions, and Python 2 and Python 3. And both Python 2 and Python 3 has been coexisted for a long time, more than 10 years. But fortunately now Python 2 has been deprecated, and which means you only need working on Python 3. If you find some package have both version 2 and 3, you should be using the version 3. If your system only have Python 2 installed, you also should upgrade to using Python 3. And Python itself is only a language, and a language itself is a standard, and a standard has the implementation. They say Python is the implementation. It also have the built-in package or built-in library. So the Python itself usually also include the standard library. Libraries. For example, time. For example, random. And so on. But only that part will not serve the purpose of the large ecosystem. So there will be packages. And that package is a bundle of Python code. It can be other code together as well. But those packages, where are they stored? And how they can be installed? They have different choices. And there are two main choices in Python ecosystem. And one is the pip. And the pip has also mean two. One is the pip binary, and one is the packages on the repository. Repository means the place that hosts those packages. So those packages are created by different organizations and individuals. So when you install it, when you have a Python, sometimes you also need to install the pip itself. So you go to the pip website and install it. You can search like how to install pip. And after you install pip, you can install individual package by pip install something. And the package itself, it might also have dependencies. And those dependencies will have, for example, I have package A, and package A depends on B, depends on C, C might depends on D. This not only have a package dependency, it also have version. So they should depend on each individual versions. So when you install A, all the dependent package might also be installed. In case of the version incompatibility, you might need upgrade the dependent version as well. But when you see the printout, the error message, what you should focus on is two parts. So if there are wrong error messages, the most important parts are the beginning. It will say something goes wrong. And also in the end part, and they might also have say how to fix it. If the text is with color, so red is most likely you should look in. If no color coded for the printout message, you might see like some error. You should focus on first. If there is no recommended solution, you might need to search, find some keywords. Most common keywords is package and what the error message is. So package error, likely you will find it. Not only pip itself, there are also other types. There are one called Anaconda. Anaconda itself also have this binary. Actually, the command line is conda, and then packages. Actually, packages, it has the repository. And it might not in the official repository. So there is one called Conda Forge. You might need to specify, okay, I want to install with a Conda Forge. Anaconda has two flavors. One is called Miniconda. Minikona is mostly the binary and with the limited number of packages, come with the standard Python distribution and standard library and very little packages. And there's another type is the Anaconda. Anaconda itself has the binary and also the most common used packages. So there are two different flavors you can use. If one flavor does not working well with you, you can start with another. I think Anaconda is the easiest way to start if you are using something not pre-built. When you do your work, and you might need different packages, you might need different package versions. And unfortunately, not every version is compatible with another version. For example, one package, you can only install one version. You cannot have a multiple version. Otherwise, there will be strange error come up. So in this situation, what you have to do is that there is called the virtual environment. And you can install the virtual environment itself. Anaconda also can have the virtual environment. So you can create a virtual environment. One virtual environment is like a brand new system. And then you can install packages separately. For example, you might want to do machine learning. And machine learning might be one environment. And another environment you might want to do data processing. And you're using another. So you can switch between each other. So in the virtual environment, you can might like source activate something. And you can also using Conda. These two can work in either way. You can choose one. You don't have to go with each other. And so these are the high level of Python ecosystem itself. Hope it helps to clarify some of the confusion. Look forward to see you next time. Thank you.